Yes. Indeed, Deepak. यार, लेकिन एक प्रॉब्लम हो गई।
क्या हुआ?
हॉल में सेंटिमेंट का वेव आया हो ऐसा लग रहा है।
हाँ, बात तो सही है, कुछ करना पड़ेगा। सुमित भाई, जरा देखो तो ये इस बड़े सेंटिमेंट वेव से कोई बच पाया है कि नहीं।
वेव की आफ्टर इफेक्ट तो पूरे हॉल में दिखाई पड़ रही है और लगता नहीं कोई बच पाया इससे। फिर भी ढूंढते हैं। अरे, एक प्रभुदर्शन सर ही है जो हमें इस वेव इफेक्ट से बाहर निकाल सकते हैं। सो लेट मी हैंड ओवर द माइक टू हिम एंड यू गाइस कैन आस्क हिम अ क्वेश्चन। प्रभुदर्शन सर।
Great idea. So Prabhudarshan sir, can you share with us some of the funny answers given by students in your class?
Right. There are many funny answers. Ninth standard children don't need to be scared about it. But I'll still share a few. Uh, Recently, I have got an opportunity to be with the standard 6 students also. So, there's a student in my class who, whenever I ask him something or whenever he has to say something, he would get up and the first word he would say is, huh. The first word he would say is, huh, and then he would start his answer. So I kind of reminded him again and again saying that, huh is not what you say when you get up and speak. So recently, just 2 or 3 days back, he changed his habit. And this time he got up and he said, yeah, I know the answer. So it was a nice change, but yeah, that is really funny. Then there is this another time, I came to the class directly from home. I did not go any place, so I was really fresh and I had worn new clothes. I had done a proper shave, so I went into the class and everything was fine. We had a lot of fun. Children responded. I shared. There are lots of jokes as usual. And then after the class, the bell rang, and then this one small fellow, he comes to me and he says, "Sir, today you are looking," and I don't know what to say to him. And then I also thought for a while, what is he trying to tell me? Then again this another fellow came and said, "Sir, really sir, today you are looking," and I really did not know what to say. Then the third person comes and he says, "Sir, you are looking very shiny today." And then the fourth fellow comes and he says, "You are looking very beautiful today." So, such things keep on happening. But jokes apart, I'm sure all the teachers over here will not agree more to me if I say that the happiest moments that we share or we have in our lives are the times when we spend with all of you in the class. So thank you all for being there in our lives, and thank you all for making this Teachers' Day the most memorable.
Thank you so much, Prabhudarshan sir. At AVM, we have been very fortunate to have some very good visiting faculty teaching us. I would like to take this opportunity to ask a question to respected Sudhir sir. Sumit bhai, can you please hand over the mic to Sudhir sir? Sir, are you ready?
नहीं, अभी रेडी नहीं हूँ. नेक्स्ट टीचर डे पे से.
सर, आप एक IITian भी है और मैथ्स गुरु भी. सो व्हाट ड्राइव्स यू टू चूज टीचिंग एज अ प्रोफेशन, और टीचिंग के बारे में आपका क्या ख्याल है?
फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, अगर हम कंपेयर करेंगे टीचिंग एंड वर्क तो क्वेश्चन ही रॉन्ग है. टीचिंग जो हार्ट से आता है. हम लोग यहाँ काम करने, वी आर नॉट कमिंग हियर फॉर एनी वर्क. अगर समबडी अब टीचर इज सेइंग कि मैं 5 आवर्स वर्क करता हूँ या 6 आवर्स, दैट इज़ रॉन्ग. हम यहाँ आते हैं, इंजॉय करते हैं और चले जाते हैं. हम लोग जो घर पे थकते हैं या टेंशन होता है, जब हम क्लास लेते हैं उसके बाद हम फ्रेश हो जाते हैं. एंड आफ्टर ईच क्लास हम आपसे बहुत सारी चीज़ें सीखते हैं, बहुत सारी चीज़ें हम आपसे लर्न करते हैं. ये लर्निंग प्रोसेस कंटिन्यू रहती है. तो एवरीवन इज़ अ टीचर. हर बच्चा कुछ नया सीखता रहता है, हर बच्चा कुछ नया सिखाता रहता है. तो आई थिंक जैसा सर ने बताया था कि टीचिंग वर्ल्ड का सबसे बेस्ट जॉब बोल सकते हैं आप, जहां आप आते हैं, एंजॉय करते हैं विदाउट एनी टेंशन और घर चले जाते हैं. थैंक यू सो मच.
Thank you, sir, for expressing your feelings with us. Deep Bhai, now would you like to ask anyone a question?
Yes, surely I would. Sumit bhai, can you please hand over the mic to Ritesh sir from Swastik?
It's on.
Sir, are you ready for my question?
Yeah, shoot.
Sir, you are from a very successful corporate background and lately been in the teaching profession. We would like to know what your experience has been in teaching and especially teaching at AVM.
Okay. First of all, good morning to everyone, and happy Teachers and Students Day to every teacher and student sitting here. Right? जैसे अभी सुधीर सर ने बोला that everyone is a teacher. Right? I actually believe that you all students are our teachers. Right? Through the video message, through your speech, through your dance, you have conveyed that we teachers, generally enlighten you, guide you, and mentor you. But this is a two-way process, right? We too are inspired by you, your dedication. Yeah, you inspire us, right? So I would like to, from all the teachers, I would like to wish you all a very happy Teachers Day. Please keep inspiring us. And secondly, coming back to the question, working in TCS, Tata Consultancy Services, versus living as a teacher. Zameen Asman ka farak hai, right? In TCS, my total focus was on learning new skills, how to survive in a big corporate, earning money, right? I was lucky enough to have found some very good friends, right? But when I started teaching, right, I attained peace of mind, right? I found my purpose of life. As it is written in Bhagavad Gita, right, that you have been given this life for a purpose. So I would like to believe that I have, found my purpose, and that is teaching. It is a blessing in one word. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Ritesh sir, for sharing your views.
Arey yaar, just realize we are running late. So let's go on with the program.
अरे एक मिनट तुम लोग कब से मुझे यहाँ से वहाँ से ऐसे हुसैन बोल की तरह दौड़ा रहे हो? कम से कम मेरी एक विश तो पूरी करो.
अच्छा सुमित भाई, बोलो क्या विश है?
मैं क्या बोलता हूँ कि मौका भी है, दस्तूर भी है, और इतना अच्छा माहौल भी बना हुआ है.
तो आगे तो बोल भाई.
हाँ, तो मेरी इच्छा थी कि इस मौके पर क्यों ना कोई शायरी हो जाए.
आइडिया तो अच्छा है, लेकिन शायरी कौन करेगा?
अरे इतनी सी बात थी.
अरे भाई, आपको जरूर नहीं है, हमारा पुष्पक सर है ना.
पुष्पक सर, व्हाट एन आइडिया सर जी. सर, इस मौके पर 2-4 पंक्तियां सुना दीजिए सर.
किसी भी इंसान की सबसे पहले गुरु उसकी माँ होती है. आज मैं मेरी माँ को प्रणाम करता हूँ. आज मैं यहाँ से विश्व के हर शिक्षक को प्रणाम करता हूँ, उसका नमन करता हूँ, क्योंकि कोई भी शिक्षक उस व्यक्ति की जिंदगी को संवारता है. शिक्षक का सम्मान, शिक्षक की गरिमा करने वाले बहुत सारे लोग हैं. कहते हैं कि शिक्षक वह मोमबत्ती होती है जो स्वयं जल करके दूसरों को प्रकाशमान करती है. इस तरह की पंक्तियां लिखने वाले, इस तरह की भावनाओं को रखने वाले बहुत सारे लोग हैं. ऐसे लोगों के सम्मान में मैंने कुछ 4 पंक्तियां लिखी हैं, आपको सुनाऊंगा कि जो शिक्षकों का सम्मान करते हैं, जो शिक्षक की गरिमा को समझते हैं. ऐसी सिर्फ कुछ पंक्तियां मैं प्रस्तुत कर रहा हूं. ये पंक्तियां आज की जो समर्पण टीम है उसको समर्पित करता हूं मैं. बाजू फड़फड़ाते हैं, बाजू फड़फड़ाते हैं और सीना फट सा जाता है. बाजू फड़फड़ाते हैं और सीना फट सा जाता है. ये उत्साह उमंग देख आज, ये उत्साह उमंग देख आज मेरा हृदय भर आता है. ये उत्साह उमंग देख आज मेरा हृदय भर आता है. माना स्वयं माना स्वयं जल उजाला दे क्षमा, क्षमा का मतलब दीपक। माना स्वयं जल उजाला दे क्षमा, वह अर्पण कहलाता है। माना स्वयं जल उजाला दे क्षमा, वह अर्पण कहलाता है। पर प्रेम भी परवानों के पंखों में समा, पर प्रेम भी परवानों के पंखों में समा प्रत्यर्पण कहलाता है। ये निश्चल प्यार आप लोगों का, ये निश्चल प्यार और नादान दोस्ती, ये निश्चल प्यार और नादान दोस्ती रे मन कहाँ ढूंढने जाता है। ये निश्चल प्यार और नादान दोस्ती रे मन कहाँ ढूंढने जाता है। यही समारोह, यही समारोह, यही समा समर्पण कहलाता है। यही समारोह, यही समा समर्पण कहलाता है। Thank you so much.
थैंक यू पुष्पक सर, थैंक यू पुष्पक सर।
अरे 2 बार क्यों?
देखो, एक तो पुष्पक सर ने इतनी अच्छी पंक्तियां सुनाई इसलिए,
और दूसरी?
और दूसरी आपको तकलीफ ना लेनी पड़ी इसलिए।
अच्छा ठीक है, चलो अब जल्दी करो, ये फंक्शन आज ही खत्म करना है।
Sure, it is the time now to give a tribute to all our academic teachers. They are very special because they burn the midnight oil to make our journey soothing and easygoing.
They take the pain of hand-picking the stones and removing the obstacles from our journey. And of course, they work selflessly day and night for us.
So, to give a special tribute to our teachers, I would like to request the Samarpan team to play the presentation. Wonderful glimpses. Very sweet and apt for a function like this. It is a wonder how they can keep smiling in the midst of this many activities on a regular basis.
Very true, Tambai. We thank you so much, teachers, for your selfless efforts. It is time now for the second part of the video tribute to all our teachers.
Yes, it's that time again when we get to hear few more of our brothers expressing the gratitude that we all share towards our teacher.
So let's request Samarpan team to play the second part of the special tribute.
Teachers at AVM are very unique. They have made their life so exceptional that their every action is highly inspiring for us. And therefore, they are our real role models. From our teachers like Vijay sir, we can learn that in every situation of life, one should always be polite and humble. His body language does not change whether he is talking to a first grade student or a 12th grade student. Another positive source of influence is our dear Ashish sir. Despite his busy schedule, he always remains cool and calm at all the times. And the most remarkable thing about all the AVM teachers is their dedication and devotion. They relentlessly use their time so that we can continuously grow by leaps and bounds. Thank you, teachers, and have a very happy Teachers' Day.
Teachers are a significant part of our lives. They are the people who support us in our struggles, who offer a laugh when we are down, who correct us when we are wrong, and provide us life lessons that we couldn't possibly learn elsewhere. Even when we doubt ourselves, they instill faith in us and fill us with renewed confidence and enthusiasm that help us not only sail through our troubled time but also excel in the most unexpected manner. Trying to put it simply, we are outrageously fortunate to have Param Pujya Swami Shri and his team of teachers in our lives. Thank you, teachers, and a very happy Teachers' Day.
I love my teachers because they love me. They teach me to live with Atmiyata. If I ask them my doubts, they explain me like I am their own child. They are happy and loving. They are like my mother. I like all the teachers at AVM. Wish you a very happy Teachers' Day.
Teachers are the ones who usually impart knowledge and skills to their students. But teachers at AVM also give us the wisdom to use the knowledge in a positive way. Param Pujya Swamiji always say, ever positive, never negative. And our teachers constantly encourage us to live up to the mantra given by Swamiji. It is that positivity that helps us to remain focused towards our goal. Our teachers push us to set higher and higher targets, and they work even harder to make us achieve them. But at the same time, they help us understand that the real ambition in our life is to become and remain happy. On this auspicious day, on behalf of all the students, I would request all our teachers to pray to Param Pujya Swamiji so that we can follow his agnya of being ever positive, never negative. Thank you, teachers, and a very happy Teachers' Day.
Teachers at AVM are very special. We all feel like they are the gift of God to us, because each and everything they do is for our benefits. We stay at hostel, far from home and our parents, but our teachers fill that void by becoming our friends. They are always ready to help us regardless how small or big the problem is. On this very special day, I would like to thank all my very special teachers and wish them happy Teachers' Day. Thank you.
Today I am here to share something about my past year at AVM. The one word which describes perfectly my past experience at AVM is change. This is the word which comes to my mind when my eyes roll back on the photo films of my personality, my attitude, which dominated my character a year before. Change doesn't come overnight, nor does it come without an intrusion of some dynamic character in one's life. This 1 year has been a journey from being purposeless to becoming a goal-oriented and alert student, from a childish, outrageous kiddo to a patient and understanding son, and finally, from an ignorant brat to a person seeking knowledge about each and every aspect of life skills from those dynamic characters, my teachers, who always are ready to impart the maximum they can, who aspire to inspire millions like me. Saying just thank you to them would be a disrespect, I think. So, on this auspicious day, I can just say that God has bestowed upon me a golden opportunity to spend one more year ahead with them. But I would love to extend the contact for many, many, many more years ahead. I would never ever forget the contribution that they have made on my life. Thank you, teachers, and a happy, very happy Teachers' Day.
I am Sumit Chaudhary of class 11 Science, one of the most fortunate students of this world. Fortunate only because of the school and teachers I have got in my life. Having stayed at AVM for 10 years, I really feel that my teachers have contributed significantly towards whatever I am today. Teachers who don't only guide academically but guide spiritually. Teachers who are ready to work hard selflessly and be an inspiration through their actions. So, on this special day, I would like to give a special thanks to all my teachers who have really been such an important part of my life. Thank you, teachers. You really mean a lot to us, and a very happy Teachers' Day.
Thank you, teachers. Happy Teachers' Day.
Deep Bhai, these video tributes have so precisely conveyed our feelings on this very special day. I would like to thank Pujit Bhai for making this wonderful tribute on behalf of all the students.
Yes, Uttam Bhai. And I am sure all of our teachers also would like to express their feelings today.
So, on behalf of all the teachers, I would like to request respected Vijay sir to come forward and say a few words on this occasion.
A very happy Teachers' Day to all of you. Teachers' Day. Well, first of all, I'd like to thank all the students for making this a very, very memorable Teachers' Day for all our teachers. Teachers' Day is a day we reflect. Every human being who is educated will reflect on Teachers' Day and think about their teachers of past. And I'm sure all my colleagues are doing that right now. They're going through their memories also, their school days, the times in their lives where somebody made a difference. Somebody helped them out. It starts with their parents and all the way to their spiritual masters. But they are thinking and remembering them on this day. Things at AVM are a bit different, as we know. At AVM, things begin with Swami Shri, end with Swami Shri. The vision of the school, the vision and the actual workings of the teachers, the kind of affection students can show. Just looking at the students, any faculty or any teacher would feel privileged to work at Atmiya Vidya Mandir, looking at all of you. But on Teachers' Day, it is not just relaxing and enjoying celebrations. Teachers' Day is also a day of introspection, and it's a day of introspection for not just teachers, for everyone. The reason why we all are privileged to be at Atmiya Vidya Mandir, students and teachers alike, is because this is a school of Param Pujya Swami Shri. And this is the day, on Teachers' Day, we need to do some introspection. Swami Shri is the best teacher I've ever known, and he will be the best teacher ever. If you look at his life to get some inspiration, being a better person, a better human being, or being a good teacher, you can get that from Swami Shri's life. I'll share only 4 perspectives. There are endless views of Swami Shri. It's a n-dimensional polygon. You cannot find all the views or all the perspectives of how to view Swami Shri. But let's look at a few. First, always be a student. As a student, you may feel that, or particularly those 12th standard students, 6 more months being a student. In life, you always have to be a student. And this is something you can learn from Swami Shri. Even at this age, if he's very eager to learn about new things, he will make special efforts. He will approach people to find out something more, whether it's in medical science, whether it's in politics, whether it is in education. He will make an effort. He will make a conscious effort to learn something new. Even if you look, he's a spiritual master. Most of the images which you see of Swami Shri is reading. He's reading either Vachanamrit, Swamini Vato or Purushottam Bolya Preeti at the age of 80. He's a person who had memorized all of these things when he was with Bapa. At the age of 18, a person who has read Gita of 20 different authors. Why? Because he was curious to find out the meaning and the opinions of different people. At the age of 18, he had read 20 author Gitas. Different viewpoints of individuals about Gita. At the age of 18, when he was with Yogi Baba, in his mid-20s, he had memorized all Vachanamrita Vatos which Swami Baba gave him. But even today, at the age of 80, a person who has memorized these things at his young age, a person who has preached about it every day of his life, every day when he has discourses, he talks about Swamini Vato, Vachanamrita and Purushottam Bolya Preeti. But still today, he feels the need of reading it. And this is something teachers and students, we have to keep in mind. We may have mastered our fields, we may have mastered our subjects, but we can never be content with it. We can never stop learning. This is a very important aspect we should learn from Swami Shri's life on Teachers' Day. We should keep this in mind. Second, a teacher or a good human being is a good listener. And this is something you can learn from Swami Shri. You have to listen. You may know more from your friend than your friends, but you still have to lend an ear. You may know more, you may feel you know more than your students, but you still have to hear out their reasonings, their voice. This is very important. Otherwise, you are no longer a teacher. You have to be a good listener. And this is something which Swami Shri does wonderfully. Even I've been in presence of Swami Shri when people are blurting nonsense in front of him. Completely silly things, and Swami Shri listens to them extremely patiently. Just hearing that conversation would make me upset, but Swami Shri will listen to that extremely patiently. And even today, in his exceptionally busy schedule, he still spends time with everyone. Whoever approaches him, he gives time. This is something very important we have to learn as human beings. We have to be considerate and we have to listen to people. This is an ability lost in the world. The ability to listen. It's a skill which we hope that AVM students do learn. The skill of listening. The third aspect is belief. If I look back as a student of Swami Shri, if I put myself in place as a student of Swami Shri, I'm still a student. But if I look back at the amount of instructions I have not followed, I have not been able to follow, it fills volumes. But if I look from Swami Shri's point of view, he still has belief. He has faith that everyone can change. As a teacher and as a human being, you need to have that. You need to have that faith or belief that every person can change. If you don't have that, you will not grow in this profession. Swami Shri has that. He will look at everyone with the same potential. Everyone is put on the same platform. And this is something very important, my colleagues, we should learn today. And we should think about this. And the last part is, never be content. You look at Swami Shri. Every day, even in the middle of the night, sometimes he wakes up and starts doing prayer that, Baba, did I miss out something? Did I forget something? Did I skip something? This is the inner burning desire to continuously improve. This is what Swami Shri has. Even though he is a symbol of perfection, he has constant desire to improve himself. And this is important for all students and all teachers, that you need to have that burning drive to continuously improve yourself. If you have that, then only you will grow. You will become whatever you set out to be. If you want to be the best teacher, you will not reach close unless you have this desire. Nobody can become, if you feel that you know everything, then you are not there yet. You have miserably failed. Students, when you feel that you have mastered something, think of Swami Shri. Even after he has mastered all Swami Nivato Vachanamrit, he still finds time to ponder upon it. He never feels that he is the biggest authority. And this is the drive which keeps him learning. And that is one habit which we can imbibe from Swami Shri's life. So on this Teacher's Day, I do feel that we do need a bit of introspection, but also we have to be very proud. As teachers, we are exceptionally proud of the group of you. It is not because you have put on a fantastic show and you have done an exceptional performance. Don't think our pride in you is based on the stage performances you put up or the feelings you express. Whether you are on the stage or in the classroom, whether you are acing an exam or you are failing an exam, whether you are filling a thing sheet or whether you are filling out a record sheet, it doesn't matter. We are still proud of you. So we want you to believe that your teachers, on behalf of all teachers, dear students, we have full faith in you. You are going to be exceptional human beings, and we will be there to support you throughout your life. Thank you, and Jai Swaminarayan.
Thank you very much, Vijay sir. We are inching towards the end of the program. Students of class 11 have been fortunate for being involved in the preparation of Samarpan 2014 and have tried to express their gratitude in different forms.
You are right, Uttam bhai. Few students have created a very special card for respected Vijay sir. So on behalf of all the students, I would like to request Danish bhai, Nishil bhai and Pawan bhai to come forward and present this card to Vijay sir.
I would like to request Vijay sir to please come again to the stage and receive the card. What a wonderful day. We started off the function by understanding the true meaning of Samarpan from Lord Krishna and ended with the pearls of wisdom from Vijay sir. Deep bhai, I hope you still remember the true meaning of Samarpan.
Yes, Uttam bhai. A true Samarpan begins with the following simple instructions of our teachers and check, and it ends with not having any doubts or reservations about our teachers or what they say to us.
You are right. Param Pujya Swamiji has always told us to follow the instructions of our teachers and ask them when we don't understand something. So let us pray to Swamiji to bless us so that we do not forget the true meaning of Samarpan in the midst of the celebration. Because the message is much more important than the celebration.
Thank you, Uttam bhai.
And now, before we conclude the event, I have one last announcement to make. The students of class 11 have prepared a special exhibition dedicated to all the teachers. It is set up in the senior school building near the main entrance. I would request all the teachers along with Vijay sir to please visit the exhibition.
So Uttam bhai, it looks like we have finished the function just about in time.
I think we still have 10 minutes. Are you sure we haven't forgotten anything?
Let me think. Oh, actually, there is one last thing, one very important thing for which our brothers from class 11 have been working day and night for the past week.
What are you talking about?
The special gifts, Uttam bhai.
Oh, thank God you remembered it. Otherwise, it would have been very difficult to face Virat Bhai and Shivam Bhai and team, as they have put in their heart and soul to make these wonderful gifts.
So, without delay, let me request the Samarpan team to present the gift first to the female teachers and Didis.
Now, we would like to request the Samarpan team to present the gifts to the male teacher and mentors.
I hope all teachers enjoy today's function as much as we did in preparing for it for the past 1 week.
And please don't forget to visit the exhibition, which is specially dedicated to all the academic teachers. Thank you all and have a wonderful day. Once again, Happy Teachers' Day.